Cold start. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. 43,000 miles on the odometer, non-smoker, very dark tint here on the sides. Now the flickering you see here, that's just in camera. That is not actually here in person. I believe this car is 100% stock. I didn't see an intake, I didn't see exhaust or anything like that. Said ignore the flickering, that's just in camera. Shifts nice and smooth. Drivability wise, it's perfect, no complaints whatsoever. Brakes feel good, alignment solid. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. There is no PPF on this car, which is paint protection film. And then looking at the front right wheel, overall in great condition. Couple little chips. Got the Xeon RS3 G1s, date code 2023. That's a Cooper. Looks good. Fender looks nice, mirror looks good, all that looks awesome. Got one chip right there. You do have film on the edge here in the door cup, but it is peeling. You can see it's kind of cracking and lifting. That's not the paint, that's just that film. Got a little touch-up spot right there. Same thing, the film in there is kind of peeling, light little mark. Typical impacts on that flare. Quarter looks good, bumper looks nice. You do have normal chips on the inner spokes. I don't see any rash though. And looking at the front end, typical rock chips, just with the mileage. You can have those on the front. You can see that. Headlights look good. Overall, that front bumper looks nice. Like I said, normal rock impacts. Nothing out of the ordinary though. Beautiful color. Absolutely love the color, and the interior is even better. Typical chips there, otherwise in great condition. A couple little chips there, that looks nice. see any rash on that wheel. Got the matte black spoiler. Diffuser looks good. Exhaust tips look awesome, nice and clean. Couple small chips on the edge, otherwise looks good. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and you have a really killer color combo. Those seats look awesome. You have some carbon fiber overlay here, that looks good. Here on that door panel, upper section looks amazing. You do have memory seating, got the Alpine audio. Those buttons look good, nice and clean, lots of storage. That trim looks nice, carpets look awesome. All the Alcantara looks amazing, bolsters nice and clean. Those are awesome seats. Here on the steering wheel, looks good, Bluetooth, that looks good, automatic headlights. That screen's nice. You have a screen protector on the screen here. Carbon overlay, push button start. All of that's in great condition, beautiful car. That door panel looks good. Carpet's nice and clean. Seats look amazing. Got the carbon overlay on that center stack. Glove box looks good. Dash looks nice. The back right door panel looks amazing. These seats look good. And they are heated. The engine bay is nice and clean. All the plastics have been fully protected. Looks amazing.